I tried to find a good place to film because every surface area in my craft room is covered in resin projects, which is not a bad thing. So my last earring video did super well. It's almost at 20,000 views, which is blowing my mind. It's my best performing video by far. And you know, I'm gonna give the tubes what it wants. You guys are really interested in making resin jewelry, so I decided to make another video for you guys. I'm actually very close to being able to submit my application to be monetized. So hopefully, you know, I can get some of the money I'm putting into this back and make more resin videos for you guys, and maybe even different craft videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos, subscribing, liking my videos, commenting. I really do love making these videos, and it's getting me through these hard times. It gives me something to look forward to and, you know, unleash my creativity and put it out there in the world in hopes to inspire you. So in my jewelry, I really like to incorporate gemstones. I'm a big fan of geology, minerals, rocks, stuff like that. So in this one, we're going to be using turquoise and peridot. And hopefully this will give you the creative boost to try something different, or, you know, just make something, have some craft therapy. So excited. Look at this mailer. This was super fast. I swear I ordered this like yesterday. Oh, so cute. A little tiny bag of glitter. Can't wait to try it out. I'm using my brand new mold, and this one I've used a lot of times, and it's one of my favorite molds. It's a great geometric funky earring mold, and I'll put the creators of this mold in the comment section below. So while those heat up, I have peridot gemstones for the monstera leaves, and a tiny bit of turquoise left over from my turquoise collection of jewelry, and you can find that on my website for sale. But I think what I want to do is create kind of a gradient, and I just kind of drop them in there randomly. Make sure your stones aren't so big that they pop out of the top of the mold. Alright, I need tweezers for this. Ooh, sticky tweezers. Sticky. I think that's about how much I want in there. I think I'm just gonna pour it in there. See what happens. Oh, I love that color. Beautiful. Now that I see how such a small amount of resin can go in here, I don't know if I want to add the gold leaf. Oh, I could add some of the glass glitter in there. I think that would be pretty. And for these stones, I think I actually got them off of Wish, to be honest. Sometimes I go on little Wish shopping sprees. And sometimes, you know, you get what you expect, and other times you don't. That's just kind of the gamble. So I'm not really sure how these turned out, but I couldn't wait to demold and find out. Well, that was buzzkill. My camera battery died right as I was demolding the second one. But these are really cute. I would have used maybe a lower viscosity, higher viscosity. What is the one that's thinner, to really get into these tight detail places. But it actually did pretty well, even though the resin was really thick. And I'm only seeing a few bubbles that I can fix up with some UV resin. Really happy with the gemstones in there and how I added the glitter only to the center. I love these. These are just so adorable. And for these, wow. Now this mold came, I think, with mold release in there, because it always feels kind of greasy, which I appreciate because it's like an infinite amount of mold release, which keeps your molds, oh no, I just chipped my nail polish. Lord. Keeps your molds in better shape for longer. So what I'm gonna do is clean these edges up and put in my findings, and they will be ready to wear. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want to see me do something else, craft or resin related. Please leave a like and a comment so the YouTube algorithm knows what's up. Thanks so much for watching.